We've been able to learn and acquire skills that we use in the workplaces, in our businesses, and in our relationships. But how well are we able to use these skills in our personal lives to enhance our health in order to achieve good health? I'm Matilda from Good Health is Wealth TV. You're welcome to join me today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and leave your comment in the comment section. If this is your first time, you are very welcome. On this platform, I talk about how we are going to eat and live healthily in order to achieve good health for life without going on any diet regimes, because I don't believe that dieting works on the long term. Today, I want to talk about a very important skill: communication. No relationship will survive without a good communication. Like that we have with our families, our friends, and our work colleagues. Even the relationship we have with God has to have a good and effective communication skill. Otherwise, it's not going to survive. And there are so many different ways that we can communicate with each other: verbal, non-verbal, listening, writing, reading, signage, body language, facial expressions. Even when we are driving on the street, we have communication with the traffic lights, the road signs. Everything we see around us, one way or the other, communicates with us. But how well are we able to understand the communication that our body tries to articulate to us? When we are hungry, the body tells us that we should eat. When we are thirsty, the body articulates that to us that we should drink. When we are tired, we know we should take some time to rest. But there are other ways the body tries to communicate to us that we fail to understand. When we eat certain things and the body doesn't agree with us, it tries to articulate that to us. But do we really take notice? When the body is not having enough nutrients, it's going to communicate that to us. But are we listening to our bodies? I remember when I was eating anything and everything, I was in pain, constant pain. And I wasn't particularly taking that information in, that the body is telling me I shouldn't be doing this, I shouldn't be eating that. This body is an enigmatic machine. If we have a very good communication with it, we should be able to understand what it's trying to articulate to us. If we are tired, having headaches, or even indigestion, it may be that we are not listening properly to what the body is trying to tell us. Are we eating enough fiber, fruits, vegetables? Are we having enough rest? Are we drinking enough water? These are some of the things we should be asking ourselves before we can reach out for medication. This lose a stone in 21 days is over now. And yes, as I guessed, they lost weight because that was expected. Some of them lost even over a stone and some under a stone. But the challenge now is, how are they going to maintain that weight loss? One professor came up and said diets do work. Yes, when you are dieting, during that period, be it 21 days, you are bound to lose some weight because you are eating significantly less and cutting out most of the food groups in the diet. So you are going to lose some weight. But it is when you stop the dieting that the problem starts. How are you going to keep it up? You're going to continue eating 800 calories a day? One thing one of the professors said, which I agree with, is he said there is nothing wrong in eating a piece of cake or a glass of wine. It's true. It is not a sin to have a piece of cake or a glass of alcohol. But it is when you make it a habit that it becomes a problem. I don't think that these 5 volunteers have changed their habits, their behavior, and their relationship with food, because I saw one of them holding a bottle of alcohol, said he's going to drink when he's finished this dieting. And the other lady was talking about how they used to eat popcorn on Saturdays watching films. There is nothing wrong in eating popcorn on a Saturday night or drinking a glass or two of alcohol in a week, and it's fine as long as it's not something you do on a daily basis. I used to drink alcohol in the past, parties, celebrations, New Year's Eve celebrations and all that. I used to do that. But when my body started communicating to me that it didn't like it, I had to stop. I don't know what cigarette tastes like because I haven't smoked. And I don't know what drugs looks like because I haven't done any drugs before. So when the body is communicating to us that it doesn't like this thing, no matter how we enjoy it, we should try and listen in order to avoid unnecessary pain, unnecessary dependency on medication. Because all medications, in my view, have side effects. If we eat and live healthily, we should be able to achieve good health without putting our health at risk unnecessarily. In the past, I used to eat lots and lots of tuna sandwiches, chicken sandwiches, beef and corned beef, all those sort of things I used to eat. But my body told me that no. So I had to stop. So today, I want to show you a healthier sandwich that I love eating. And in fact, I'm going to eat it for lunch today. So this is how I make my avocado, sweet corn, and watercress sandwich. Here we go. These are the ingredients for my avocado, sweet corn, and watercress sandwich. These are about 2 tablespoonfuls of frozen sweet corn that I've cooked for about 2 minutes, 1 avocado, lemon, watercress, which I'm going to pluck and chop, few slices of onions, 2 slices of brown bread. So I'm going to mash these sweet corns before they get cold. It's easier to mash them when they are warm. So mash them. I'm plucking them. I need some of these stems, but not all of them, so that I want them to be crunchy. Really finely chopped if you can. Now half of the avocado, cut it big. Into the already mashed sweet corn. So I mash them all together again to make a fine paste. It shouldn't be that difficult. And I don't want it to be too smooth because I want that crunchiness. I'll add the chopped watercress into the bowl. This is the paste to fill in the sandwich. Just a few drops. I need that tangy feeling. I need that tangy taste. Just few onions, as much as you want. There. The taste, they say, is in the pudding. So let's taste this avocado, sweet corn, and watercress sandwich and see what it tastes like. Bon appetit. Really nice, tasty, crunchy, fresh, healthy, lovely, beautiful. See? This is what we need to do. We need to eat healthily because good health is wealth. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and leave your comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. God bless. Bye-bye.